Wonderful morning to all my dear kids. Hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. Kids, welcome in your EVS class with a wonderful thought. Our today's thought is kind words are like honey. I repeat, kind words are like honey. Kids, in our EVS class, today we are going to learn about birds. All about birds. What we are going to learn? Concept of all about birds. Now we will see one by one birds. Sparrow. Sparrow. Repeat me. Sparrow. Parrot. 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 What is next? Crow. 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 What will come next? Duck. 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 Next is hen. 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 What will come next? Let's guess. Tell me. Yes, pigeon. 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 Eagle. 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 Next is woodcutter. 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 Next is crane. Crane. Now everyone take out theme book 2 and open page number 56. Which page number? 56. Here you have to mention today's date. All about birds. Look at the picture. Let's meet some birds. Quail. Hen. Duck. Parrot. Vulture. Ostrich. Now let's have a look. Mrs. Scribbly wants you to color the hen. Take help with Mrs. Scribbly and you have to color this hen. With your favorite color. You can color it with your favorite color. Okay? Now everyone, color this hen. Revise these birds. Take pic and send in response group. Bye bye kids. Have a nice day. Take care.